When it comes to herbal teas, rosemary tea is often overlooked in favor of chamomile or green tea. But did you know that this aromatic beverage is packed with powerful health benefits? In today's video, we're diving into the amazing benefits of drinking rosemary tea and why you might want to make it a part of your daily routine. Rosemary tea is made by steeping the leaves of the rosemary plant, Rosmarinus officinalis, a fragrant herb native to the Mediterranean. While many people recognize rosemary as a popular kitchen herb, it has also been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Brewing rosemary leaves in hot water releases essential oils, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds that promote overall well-being. Top health benefits of rosemary tea. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Rosemary tea is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress and free radicals, which can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Drinking rosemary tea can be a simple yet effective way to boost your body's defense system. 2. Enhances memory and concentration. Did you know that rosemary has been linked to improved brain function? Research suggests that rosemary can enhance memory and concentration, making it a great drink for students or anyone looking for a mental boost. Even just the aroma of rosemary has been shown to increase alertness. 3. Supports digestive health. If you experience digestive discomfort, rosemary tea might help. It stimulates the production of bile, which aids in digestion, especially when it comes to breaking down fats. Plus, its carminative properties can reduce bloating and gas, making you feel more comfortable after meals. Are you enjoying this video? If you find this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health and wellness tips. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and even some cancers. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which has been found to reduce inflammation and support overall health. 5. Supports heart health. Your heart will love rosemary tea. This herbal tea has been shown to support circulation, lower blood pressure, and even help regulate cholesterol levels. It's a simple and natural way to promote cardiovascular health. 6. Strengthens the immune system. Rosemary tea is packed with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help your body fight infections. Drinking it regularly can give your immune system a natural boost, keeping you healthier throughout the year. 7. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Feeling stressed? Rosemary tea has calming properties that help reduce stress and anxiety. The warm, soothing aroma alone can help relax your mind and body. Enjoy a cup before bedtime to unwind after a long day. How to make rosemary tea. Making rosemary tea is super simple. Just take a teaspoon of dried rosemary or a few fresh sprigs, steep it in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You can even add honey or lemon for extra flavor. Rosemary tea is not just delicious. It's packed with health benefits that can support your brain, digestion, and overall wellness. So why not give it a try? This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding new herbs or supplements to your diet. Have you tried rosemary tea before? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.